In Lesson 1, students review the engineering storybook, or discover the story for the first time. They are introduced to characters in a global setting that brings real-world problem-solving to life and gets students thinking like engineers. In the companion computer science storybook epilogue, students see the same characters using computer science to solve a related problem. This application of computer science captures students' interest and helps them relate to the subject. There are several options for delivering the storybook epilogue. You can download and share a PDF version, make paper copies, or use the interactive digital storybook. The interactive storybook provides learners with accessibility options, such as text-to-speech with speed control, adjustable font size and color, easy toggling between English and Spanish, interactive vocabulary words, embedded discussion questions, and more. You also have options for how you facilitate the reading. The epilogue is at an appropriate reading level for individual students, but consider whether small groups, partners, or a full class read aloud would better support your learners.